Good morning, friends. Today is Tuesday, 6th of September 2022. I'm in my garden in the morning time. It is windy today. It is predicted heavy rainfall in next 3 days. The monsoon is not going quickly this time. Though there is not enough rain in many places it is declared in the drought, like in Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. But many places again, huge floods occurred this time. So uneven rainfall is due to the huge army competitions between the nations. China is drilling for its Taiwan aggression. Again, Ukraine war. Russia and Ukraine are fighting for last 6 months almost. And many other countries are also practicing war drills. So this way, huge armed exercise is putting a negative impact on the environment. The ozone layer is heavily depleted and very dangerous time for the humanity is at present, because of the human ego. So today again I have started my morning plucking of the vegetables. I plucked some drumstick leaves. It's very fresh, very good for your blood pressure, and it's very good. And 3 brinjals only, and some other like ladies' fingers. This is enough for my kitchen today, and I will buy little bit other vegetables. All are not now in my garden. So, but my garden has reduced the my vegetable budget up to a good extent. Previously, I was buying vegetables almost 4,000 per month. Now it is only 1,500 per month. So it's a good investment and good output. So anyway, this is the papaya. It's coming to papaya. Because of the less earth here, the trees are not growing as they should be. So whatever may be, we are happy because in a small scale we are getting a few vegetables and we are enjoying our time, morning time, evening time in the garden. That the peace of mind, it gives us peace of mind, and we are all very happy here. When you see the green vegetables, you should be happy. So it's now time for my daughter for her school bus. I have to go to the bus stop and I have to drop her. She's in class 10th now. So she is going for this, her board examination again soon. Thank you very much. Bye.